Mangy Donald and Libby are really testing Boo Boo's patience tonight. Good for you. I don't think they're too happy about the paddling pool. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Don't mind that water. There was some weird marks there that for once was nothing to do with me. Anyway, would you like a refrigerated egg? Love you. Oh, you're being very brave. The bully cat just ran across. Wondered why she was getting all low. If you don't remember him from last year, the bully cat was a very mean boy who used to torment both the foxes and my cat Libby. Although Libby put up a good fight. No, Libby. Hi. Hello. You was very cute. Libby. She's not happy. You should go away. Excuse me? Why are you so bold? This is our house. Good on you, Libby. Hey, no. No, go. Tiger, what's going on? So anyway, yeah, we just saw Billy Cat again. Don't start anything, Libs. Libby, you staying here, baby? No fights for you, please. No, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Baby. Yummy, yummy. Oh, that was Mangy Donald. Good for you. Don't forget the chicken this time. Oh, hi, Libby. Did you hear the commotion? And did you catch the bully cat? Did you see him off the property? Well done. He's a troublemaker, that Mangy Don. I hear him. I see him. Run, run, run. Don't do it, Mangy Don. This is really brave of her, by the way. She doesn't normally eat this close to me. She's learning. Yeah, you're learning. Good girl. Love you, boo-boo. Gonna have another one. Did you hear that? A growl. Don't know if that came up. It was like Tiger's growl. Oh, boo-boo. Where is your boyfriend? He needs to come help defend you. We see you, Mangy Donald. He's not quite brave enough to actually do anything, I don't think. He keeps popping out. She does not like it. Go for a swim. a little book. Oh, you're looking for leftovers? Hey, Mangy Don! He answered to his name. I don't know what's going on, really. They never properly get rid of him. Hi, Miss Boo Boo. Is he still out there, or has he gone? He might have gone down the end. You're gonna get some more chicken. More chicken? Oh, sorry, baby girl. Gonna wee on that egg again? Yes, of course you are. Now what? Now what are you gonna do? Can I get you from the crisp ankle? Oh yes, look at you. What a pretty girl. What a pretty fox. Oh, Libby. I was using my pretty girl voice, which is normally for you. You are also a pretty girl. Yes, you are. But I was actually talking to the ginger nut over there. Libby tried to steal the food, and Boo barked at her.
Which did not get picked up on the outdoor camera, unfortunately, but it was very similar to this previous time from last year.
Will you come get it then? You don't like that fox, do you? She doesn't like you either. One boy. Oh, honey, did you chase Mangy Donald away? It's okay. That's the ice machine. He wants it from the bucket instead. I actually got him nice chilled fridge water there, and I put ice cubes in it earlier as well. But he wants it from a bucket.